Hey guys, and welcome to my unboxing video for the Oculus Go 32 gigabyte model all-in-one VR headset. We're going to get right to it. All right. As you can see, it comes with of course, the headset. And the controller. And comes with a charger and an instruction manual and the piece for the eyeglasses. You got that too. Yep. Power button, volume rocker, and the strap. And you can access thousands of apps, over 1,000 apps, and a lot of them are free. So, okay, well, thanks for watching. Pretty simple video, but thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.